What y'all say? Y'all say the small ass or tank ass? So this is the small one. That one, right? Not the small one.
ass they get little too.
And that's the tank ass one.
But I'm gonna go for the fat ass.
Yeah, we going for the fat ass.
Y'all gonna be following us on YouTube. Or y'all
Tank ass. If any of y'all seen that professor, he's like, tank ass. Happy Wednesday, everybody. This is where we woke up today. We are all about to go walk this trail. I couldn't. Everybody wave to the camera. Say good morning. We're about to go and enjoy the scenery this morning. We've parked here a couple of times, but we've never walked the trail, so we decided to walk the trail this morning. Island hair had to get wrapped because it's a mess. So, yeah. It's gorgeous out here. Alright, everybody. We are about to start this trail. There go Britt. How beautiful these are, you guys. I don't think my camera does this yellow color justice. Is that cotton? Is that cotton? That ain't cotton. It looks like it could be cotton, but it's not. I don't know. Can't tell. What's up with this big ass dumpster right here?
I brought it this morning.
Oh.
They finna start cleaning.
Oh, it kills the whole vibe, but that's fine.
The trail is the other way, guys.
Oh, which way?
The trail's that way.
Oh.
We're not supposed to be in here.
Let's go. This is the wrong way. Got me going the wrong dang on way. Let's go.
Yeah, we're not actually supposed to be in here.
It is on the side of the highway, but it's all good. Welcome to the
Freshwater
Ballona Freshwater Marsh. Let me show you guys. Welcome to the Ballona Freshwater Marsh. Okay.
The Jefferson Inlet where you are standing, and the Central Inlet pre-treatment areas at these inlets are surrounded by islands with dense vegetation to slow down the incoming water, allowing sediment to settle and organisms to remove pollutants from the water.
Lovely out here, you guys. The ducks. You want to see the water, Mommy? See the water? Yeah? See the water? Pretty, huh? Oh, see, we got to do your hairs. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Park.
This the park? Yeah, you told them we had the park. This is the trail. Say trail, well, it's a marsh. Say marsh.
Marsh.
Good job.
Some of the first to live in the Ballona wetlands made camps on the edge of the water to take advantage of the rich resources the wetlands offered.
Hopefully y'all can hear with all
Wetlands
this.
provided
cars.
fresh water for drinking and also supported fish and other animals that were an important food supply. Tools, provided material for baskets and to build shelters.
All right, I guess I'll jog.
Time to get fit. Let's get fit real quick.
Sorry if the video is bouncy, you guys. I'm jogging with. Gotta get it in. Y'all heard my voice? Gotta get it in. That's the beast. That's the beast breed coming out. That's how I am when I work out. You feel me? Gotta get it in. Try to challenge myself. I've learned that from Britt. When she started training me, she's a beast, you guys. Beastie when it comes to working out. So it makes me want to level up, you feel me? Challenge yourself. Yes. Get it in. Best way you can. Get it in. Because it feels good when you overcome the challenge. All right, we jogging again. Let's go.
I quit.
You quit. Trying to keep this camera straight, y'all. It's kind of impossible, though. Sorry.
My legs are dying.
Dragonfly.
Is it really? The little black thing is a dragon. That's a small one.
Yeah, it's fun adventure time.
It's even scary.
These boys are over here talking about how they want to torture me with spiders.
No,
Pictures of spiders. They want to tie me up and make me look at pictures of spiders. What's wrong with them? Everybody who knows me that's close to me knows Brianna is not messing with no spiders, not no pictures of spiders. I don't want to hear about no spiders. I don't want to think about no spiders.
What about
That is out.
I
I can do snakes, that's fine. I don't like no bugs, no nothing that resembles a spider. That means multiple legs. That's a little big. Ladybugs I could do. I can't really see their legs like that, but if they big and their legs are long, that's just too much. Little babies. Oh, you see those right there.
When it's super sunny, they summon.
How many do you think it is?
It's a lot of them.
8.
No, because there's some all the way over there on that side of the bank.
Oh, it sure is. I see
They
it
all the way. They all on the whole
They're
bank.
probably around the whole. Oh yeah, right here in the middle.
Kai is so ready to go. He's a mess. A chocolate drop.
Oh, it's one. What's that? A duck? Right here, right close to us.
right there.
See it?
That is humongous.
Oh, yeah, that's the one I got already.
Big ass.
Oh,
Look, he didn't even move. Look, they didn't even move from the duck.
Can you hurry up?
He ain't scared of no duck.
like he just like his mama. When he hungry, he get grumpy.
Can I get some water, please?
Or you gonna wait till she get up here? He said, you can see that I'm hungry. You right, baby. We about to go cook, all right? Now. Right now. This is the end of our trail. We are, well, not the end yet. We are headed back. Headed back. Hope you guys are having a great Wednesday because it is beautiful out here. I can't get it, you guys. There it is. Oh, wow. It's making some calls. The family, me and Makai have left the fam, you guys. Turtles, more turtles. More turtles. This baby boy is hungry, so we are trying to get to the rig so we can pull out the table and the stove. Then I think we will be heading to the YMCA. We were going to go to the library, but the kids are going to do their work in the rig, possibly while they wait for their food. And then we're going to go to the Y and I'll probably get a workout in and let the kids go to the kids club and hang out, chill out. And then I'm going to study and hop on my guitar and practice. Okay, gosh, this breeze, it is lovely. Yes. Look how gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. But yeah, we do get bothered here sometimes because they say, this is what some of our other RVers said, that the people on the top of the hill told the cops or parking enforcement that they don't like looking down at the highway and seeing the RVs, but that clearly has not stopped any of us, because most of us we're the same. These are the same RVs that park here almost every day, so that has not stopped us. We leave and come back because we just think that's a stupid reason for for us to have to move when we're not bothering anyone. None of these RVs, we don't trash it over here. We're rolling it in so we can have some lunch. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just felt something roll down my stomach and got nervous. I thought it was a bug. And it was a straight drop of sweat. Hot out here. Baby boy got it. Don't break my key, that's the wrong way. Right there, nope, turn it back. Right there, pull it out. There you go. Thank you. Parents to cook lunch for the kids. Brittany is out there cooking a lunch, you guys, for the kiddos.
Cooking the lunch.
Huh? Glass for the kids. I don't know about that, you guys. Glass?
I think about it.
Better for the water, guys.
We know. We know.
I think about it.
It was great.
That would be a straight.
So we will be back when they finish eating and start their work. We're eating.
Hi.
Grubbing, and then the adults are about to eat. Brittany is making the veggie burritos again like I did the other night with the spinach wrap. They were both spinach wrap. Fire. He's peeing. Chris spotted a turtle got out, you guys.
How you get out, God? Man, you better be careful out here in these streets. You see all these cars?
Man, he was for sure gonna die today.
I looked, I was like, what the hell is that moving?
Oh, the kids want to see him.
The kids want to see him?
Oh,
Say hi to the
turtle.
cameraman.
He looking like, bitch, get me out of here. Dang, that thing is actually pretty big.
Big. He's a big one.
Straight on the highway trying to find his way.
Balls.
I just saw them things. Them things are a bit scary. Look at those things, you guys. Turn them up so we can see it in the, yeah. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Look at them claws. Let me go on this side. There we go. Woo! Oh my God.
Yeah, he's a big one.
Oh my God, them things are scary.
He might be a good 2 or 3.
Dang.
He's kind of big. Look now.
See the turtle?
Mama.
Look how she looking. Oh, the turtle.
I want to see the two.
See how hard it is?
Don't knock on it. Nyla, come touch it, mommy.
Wait, let it stand. Let it stand so it can walk back.
She said,
I want to see how it
You
walks.
want to see it?
Yeah, let's see how it walks.
hopefully it starts to walk. It might be scared.
Yeah, he's scared because he picked him up. That's why he peed.
Of course. That's his defense mechanism.
Yeah, so when they pee, that means they're very scared.
He gonna move in a minute.
They gonna move. I think
Maybe if he doesn't see me. His face is that way, right?
Where he thought he was going. He was not finna make it.
It's like, I ain't moving 1 inch. Come on, little turtle. So we're putting the little turtle, snapping turtle we saw walking along the road right here in front of our rig. There's our rig. So we're gonna put him back. Poor guy. We don't know how he got so far.
Up here?
And
That's where he went.
yeah, he must have been trying to find the water because there's nothing but open road right there, and he definitely would have gotten
He seen that water.
killed.
He seen that water. He was happy.
Hi, little guy.
I didn't see the water.
Oh, he needs to be in the sun. You can't even see nothing. Aww.
Show
He opened his mouth all super wide.
Because he saw that water and got happy.
What you say? Ouch, something. What you say, Nye? Turn him this way.
See that water.
No, walk on. Hold on, something stuck me in my shoe. Okay, I'll go this way.
Oh, the eyes are closing.
Just in case he do it again.
But don't,
Keeps opening his
don't
mouth.
Go in yet. Go in yet. Yes. Wait, not yet, not done.
You guys stay back this way because we don't know what's over here.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Go back home. Look, he almost did it. Say bye-bye.
You back up, Makai, with no damn. You too, Seren. Oh, go back.
Like start him right there and he'll walk
See if he's gonna go back in the water.
Oh, is somebody back there?
Probably. Ready?
Yay!
Makai, back up.
Nature!
You don't want to just put him in the water?
No, he needs to
No?
go by himself.
Okay, back up, guys.
Back up, guys.
So he doesn't hear us.
Back up.
They can hear you.
Maybe, you know, turtles are real timid.
Let me go check him.
No.
Let me go check him.
What if something just hopped out? Back up.
Back up.
I can't see.
Hold his
I
head.
can't see.
Hold his head. Pop his head out.
Alright, stop talking. He popped his head out, guys. We're hoping that he... Oh, there it is. Can you see his head? His head is out right there. Back up. Saran, be quiet.
You can turn his head.
Saran, you guys don't move. He can hear us too, guys. Work time. Time for coloring time.
Let go.
04.
Right there. There you go. You found it. Time to work. Okay, buddy. You're working on T.
$27,
T.
and that
You know what to
thing
do.
don't even
gotta
cost
read
over
first.
30.
T is for tow truck. Start at the top, go down. Line.
That's
And
on
cross.
Amazon. If you get it in stores, it's only up $1.
This is the number.
So these blank spaces where the dots are, that's where you make a T. See each dot?
TWO is the number.
You see that?
Come on. Southern Energy.
You see each dot, right? That's where you start the T. Cross. Okay?
That's fine. If you get to a word that you don't know, just say, I don't know this word. Don't act
Good
like
job.
you know it. So it makes heat or electricity.
Solar
Or
energy.
sunlight.
Heat or electricity.
That's a good one. You gotta write it as a paragraph.
You colored what? What are those? What are these that you colored?
You can write it
Yeah, eyes. Good job. You gonna color her hair?
still paragraph.
This is called a bow, Mom. Bow.
I wanted to do something.
Say bow.
And Mom,
The pyramid for money. I'm making money in the pyramid scheme money. I'm making money in the pyramid money.
Ah, money, money.
Money, money.
I make the money in the pyramid scheme. I make the money in the pyramid scheme.
Did you record that?
No, nah. Get it, girl. Get a new wallet cause my money don't fit. Gotta go bum, go tick, tick, tick. I'm the pyramid money. I make the money in the pyramid scheme. What? I make the money in the pyramid
Hey.
I'm about to drop.
Girl, you missed nothing.
Move, guy.
Get it, booty.
Show me, mommy. Hey, show me.
Get it, booty.
How you do
I
it?
need some water.
Get it, booty.
I like the water.
In there playing their Serenity and Nyla. You guys can't see Jamari and Makai, but yeah. We are headed to go work out in. upstairs to get. I just basically fell, but into the wall.
Equilibrium as well.
Hey guys, so we're back at the Y in West LA. Westchester. Westchester. Close to West LA. We're checking out the women's locker room. We're not gonna, that might be private. But the first day we came, which was 2 nights ago, we went downstairs to the downstairs locker room, and we didn't realize that it was for 18 and under. So we were surrounded by nothing but children, you know, and we were like, we're not used to seeing so many children, because the YMCA that we go to usually in Lakewood, it's never really that many kids in the locker rooms at once. There's usually some children, but not all at once. So we were like, what the heck? So we finally figured out, like, this one has 2 different locker rooms separated. Yeah, this one is for the, yeah, this is just for the women, you know, 18 and over. So, yeah, it's nicer too. It's cleaner. Hey, y'all. It's more clean. So we were downstairs naked in front of all the kids. All these kids. Oh my goodness. And we were wondering why the parents kept looking at us crazy. And I felt bad because the only other women that were down there that were kind of naked were just getting out of the pool because it's right next door to the pool. And we just went and showered. Moldy. Anyways, we are up here and it is way nicer. Yeah, it's nice. We ain't trying to walk around too much because we don't want to be scaring no women, but yeah. I'm excited. I can't wait. So we'll be back when we get a workout in. I'll try to get us working out a little bit, but we got to get it in, so I'm not going to be recording that much. Yeah, we got it. Okay, you guys? All right. All right, you guys, so we are in the open room right now. As you all know, we were doing TRX at the Lakewood YMCA, but now since we're here, we're so happy that they have it here. So we're in the open room right now, so no one is occupying this room for I think an hour. So we'll be in here cranking our workout out. Yeah, out. Get it in until we have to go get the kiddos, which is 7 o'clock. So yeah.
Nice and hard. When you go down. Go down. Squeeze your back when you go down. Squeeze. Squeeze all the way up. Squeeze all the way up. You'll run it back. Woo! Take that break. Go. Let's go. Squeeze all the way down. Squeeze all the way up. Target the muscles. Done with our workout, you guys? Huh?
Yeah, the one up here? Men's locker room?
The women's now.
We are about to go shower and go get the kiddos. Yes. We just got our workout in.
Pumped.
Cranked it out. I should have went this way so you guys can see us more. Yeah, Britt led us as usual. So, all right, you guys. Headed to get the kiddos. Headed to get the kids. Fuck the circumstances, it's up to you to smile.